I'm gonna show you how I made this small animated UFO nightlight. Let's get started. The first thing to do is of course make the model. You can make your own design or you can download mine using the link in the description. I wasn't sure if it would properly print all the details, but as you can see it worked perfectly. Now before I start soldering stuff together, I wrote the code and uploaded it to the Arduino. If you want to use this code, a link will be in the description. For the blue LEDs at the bottom, I wanted to focus more in one direction instead of shining light everywhere. So I'm going to carefully cut off the tip of the LED and make it flat. Alright, now I'm going to glue and solder the blue LED as shown here. Now I'm going to connect all the red LEDs. And finally solder them to the Arduino as shown in the previous circuit image. We're still going to need to be able to power the Arduino, so connect two wires to the VIN pin and ground. Just run the wire through the top of the UFO and glue the two parts together along with the wire. And now it's completely done. I forgot to say this before, but I also added a DC jack so you can connect it to an adapter for power. Now as you can see it looks pretty good just like this, but if I turn the lights off and connect an adapter, you'll see the animation starts playing. It's not that complex, but I still think it came out really well. I hope you liked the video. If you did, like and consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it.